think if you're wanting to understand more on the business side and some of the AWS technologies around machine learning, it's a really engaging course.
You are now listening to Ringtone by Isha on Unity Radio.
It was really cool seeing how AI could be used. Training racing models with AI, telling how to react, and then we're testing it on the actual track here.
It's definitely been really fun, getting to just see loads of different perspectives, have some really interesting discussions with experts.
It's really fun to be hands-on with AI. It's cool to see what else could be useful with things like music, creative process.
I think it's been great. It's been really fun and learned a lot, and yeah, I'd recommend it.